To fix your TikTok videos not being eligible for the For You feed, follow these steps. First, understand the For You feed, which is a curated selection of videos that TikTok's algorithm thinks users will enjoy. The algorithm considers factors such as engagement, relevance, and content quality. Check your video's content and ensure it adheres to TikTok's community guidelines. Prohibited content includes violence, hate speech, and explicit material. If your video contains any of these, it will not be eligible for the For You feed. Next, optimize your video for discoverability. Use relevant and popular hashtags, as well as catchy and descriptive captions. This will help the algorithm understand your video's content and context, increasing its chances of being featured. Consider your video's engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, and shares. Low engagement can signal to the algorithm that your video is not interesting or relevant, making it less likely to be featured. Encourage engagement by asking questions, requesting feedback, or hosting a giveaway. Additionally, ensure your video is of high quality, with good sound, visuals, and editing. Poor production quality can negatively impact your video's eligibility for the For You feed. Invest in good equipment, editing software, and take the time to refine your craft. Finally, consider your account's overall performance and reputation. Accounts with a history of posting low quality or prohibited content may be less likely to have their videos featured. Focus on creating high quality, engaging content and interacting with your audience to build a positive reputation. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your video's chances of being eligible for the For You feed and grow your presence on TikTok. Remember to stay up to date with TikTok's community guidelines and algorithm changes to ensure your content remains eligible and competitive.